I hope you're having a great day. This is the part 2 of me reviewing the IL MAKIAGE, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing correctly, the IL MAKIAGE makeup products. So in a previous video, which should be up on my channel already, I'm reviewing the So Super Hard IL MAKIAGE foundation, the one that you need to take the actual quiz to get the foundation shade before you can buy. So I'm in the middle of actually filming this video. Like, I'm filming it now because I want to do the proper wear test. So now it's 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna be wearing this all day long to see how it works at all, but you can see already up in the future because the video is already up on my channel. I still don't know if it's any good or no. So far so good, to be honest, but the rest, who knows. So yeah, check it out. But in this video, because I thought I'll do better separate video because I wanted to be like proper in-depth review rather than just, you know, go through it all, and you know what I mean, guys. Plus I do like to do the in-depth review videos. So this one, as a self-proclaimed lipstick-holic, obviously I'm checking the lipstick because yeah, I love lipsticks. I have probably far too many, but let's not go to there. Okay, so this one is the IL MAKIAGE Infinity Longwear Matte Lip Cream lipstick. So once again, I love the packaging. As I mentioned before in this previous video, I am a sucker for plain packaging, black and white or just black. The simpler the better. I don't know, I just like this clean lines, and you know what I mean, guys. I don't know, maybe you like more glitz and glam, but yeah, kind of like just a plain packaging. It also makes it look kind of, you know, posh. Although saying that, the IL MAKIAGE makeup is not on the cheapier side, it's quite pricey. That's why I'm here testing this out for you to tell you if it's worth your money or not. Okay, so let's open this up and see what we got. First impressions review. I haven't opened this yet. I have no clue whatsoever. So I got the color Matte Gala 424. The moment of truth, guys. Let's see. Oh, you guys, it's a glass packaging. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. I thought it's gonna be plastic like most of the, you know, makeup is. It actually reminds me a lot of the Huda Beauty lippies. The packaging, this like angled ombre effect kinda. Yeah, don't you think so, guys? This reminds me a lot, like this shape and, you know, this ombre effect going on. Copy paste a bit, who knows? Both brands are pricey, so I wouldn't say it's a dupe, you know, because having the same price or even pricier as a dupe doesn't really work. So I can't say in any way that this is a dupe, but packaging kind of resembles that. Am I right? Am I wrong? Let me know in the comments down below. But it's glass packaging once again, which I love because less plastic pollution. You know, I hope all brands gonna take a note. Yeah, the packaging, you guys, this looks super posh. I love this black color going on with this like ombre effect. Yeah, wow, you guys. I think if I would ever own a beauty brand or have a chance to collaborate with beauty brand, I would go for similar packaging because this just looks amazing, don't you think? So then the applicator is kind of, you know, your standard spongy flat applicator. You see, one side is like super flat and another side is wide, which is perfect because it's standard. I don't like the bristle one, to be honest. I'd rather go for the spongy lipstick applicator. I just find it easier to work. Okay, let's do a quick swatch on the hand first. Ooh, okay. Love the color. This is like a perfect nude. The ones that I'm obsessed, like most of the nude, lip nude colors that I have is in the shade because I just wear it daily. Let's be very honest. And it's perfect for daily looks and evening looks if you go with more like dramatic, you know, eye makeup look, but it's perfect shade, I think. It has a smell. Like, if you follow my channel, you probably noticed that I'm not a fan of the smell in the makeup or the cosmetics because usually it just irritates me. I think I have super sensitive nose or something. Okay, I think without any further ado, the shirt is right. Okay, you ready? Oh, really like the feeling on the lips. It feels super light. It doesn't feel heavy. The lippy itself is not thick like with some matte liquid lipsticks, especially with long wear liquid lipsticks. The lip itself is very kind of thick. It's more creamy than liquidy. Here we go, that's the thing I want to say. But this feels very, like I applied a tiny bit and it kind of straight away soaked into my lips, so it kind of feels super moisturizing, if that makes sense for a matte lipstick. Ah, okay, I'm really impressed so far. When applying it on, it feels a bit more like a lip oil would be, or balm. Not really balm because, yeah, maybe, because it kind of just soaks into the lips straight away, like moisturizing the lips, but then it tints the lips at the same time. yeah, like I'm just trying to find the words to describe it, but you guys, wow, okay. Yeah, you see how shiny it is while applying it on? Guys, I love this formula. Once again, I wanna like compare this to the Huda Beauty lippies. The Huda Beauty lippies, like matte liquid lipsticks, are more oily when applying it on and more runny. So sometimes it might be a bit tricky if you take a bit too much product on this, you know, applicator. So it might start running before it, you know, soaks into your lips. But this doesn't run at all. It's slightly bit shiny at first, but then it kind of disappears in a second, and it just goes matte. The applicator is actually easy to use. And it's very, very pigmented. Like you don't need to build up a lot if you wish, you know, to have more intense color. Yeah. And it dries quite fast. I mean, this shiny surface, it dries in. You guys, yeah, wow. You guys, I'm really, really impressed. Like it feels super moisturizing on the lips. It doesn't feel drying at all. Yeah, it feels very similar for me to Huda Beauty matte liquid lipstick. It's just Huda's liquid lipsticks is more runny. At first, like when you apply, it feels more oily. And it feels, yeah, more runny. So if you have a bit too much product, it might tend to bleed. You know what I mean? If that makes any sense whatsoever. Yeah, I don't know why I keep like comparing to Huda's one. It just reminds me of the packaging and all. So I think it's just, yeah, unconsciously, I kind of straight away compared to Huda. Although it's definitely not a dupe because price-wise, it would just, you know, doesn't worth it because both lips are pricey. But this, guys, it feels amazing on lips. And the shiny part, like you seen when I just started applying, it felt a bit like balm or oil or something because it was shiny till it kind of soaked into our lips. It doesn't feel drying in any way, but my lips looks matte. And look at that. It doesn't suck together. Do you guys see this? Because you know with some matte liquid lipstick, especially the long wear, it tends to kind of a bit glue lips. It doesn't really glue lips, but if you do this, it tends to, you know, stuck a little bit. Not like glue, that's a bit too much. That's not true. This will dry down so fast, but like, I don't know, 2 minutes passed? How long it passed till I applied it on? It feels dry. Okay, I have some on the hand. Let's do, you know, test to see if it's dry or no. Oh, okay, this is still not dry. Why haven't we big amount? It says long wear. Now I'm rather confused. It says infinity. Not just long wear, it's infinity long wear, you guys. Not 24-hour wear, not, you know, I don't know, 12-hour wear or something. It's infinity long wear. So I'll be kind and I'm gonna leave this to dry for another, let's say 5 minutes. And I'll come back to you to do a test to see how long wear it is. I mean, I have a glass of water ready in here already. We're gonna see how the water gonna affect, if it's gonna stuck any to your glass, you know, the smudge test and all, just as usual as we do. So we'll see in 5. Alright, 5 minutes passed. I'm pretty sure it should be dry already. I mean, it feels dry on the lips. Yeah, it feels proper dry, so let's see how infinity long wear it is. First, let's do the kiss test. So, you ready? It left, let me see if you guys see. It left like a little mark, but from the inner part, like in here. So I think maybe I applied a bit too much product, like in here. Maybe I needed to wait longer or apply less product. Okay, let's do the touch test, like press test, and then we can do smudge test. So the press test, fingers looks like this now. Okay, you ready, guys? I'm gonna proper press it. It left a little mark once again from the inner part, like in here. The rest didn't leave any mark. Let's do this hand. Top lip is fine, so I think it was just, you know, this part in here. I might have applied a bit too much product, so Might be my mistake. Okay, let's just smudge this. Like, I'm proper smudging, guys. Oh, okay. It kind of has slightly bit of color. Like, you can see a little bit, especially on this finger, like in the side in here that I was smudging. You see, guys? So it has a little bit, but then if you look at my lips, it looks perfectly fine. Guys, so far it's pretty good. The Infinity Longwear, after all, might be the Infinity Longwear lippy. Okay, time for a water test, you guys, for a glass test. So we're gonna see how it's gonna work with a glass, if it's gonna leave a mark or no, and then how water itself, because obviously my lips gonna get wet, gonna affect the lippy. I'm pretty thirsty as well, so I'm gonna have a proper drink. Cheers. Told you I was thirsty. Okay, you ready? So it left, I'm not sure if you guys can see this, it left kind of like a grease mark in here. There's no color whatsoever, but because it's a glass, I can see, like, I'm lining around with my finger, so hopefully you guys see. It's like a grease mark from a lippy, but no color. I see this, I'm not sure how it translates on the camera. Like, I can see, you know, in a real life, but I'm not sure if you guys see this. It's basically like in here. So it's pretty good, you guys. Like, it didn't transfer any lippy whatsoever on the glass, and any water, like, it didn't do anything. My lip is still in a place perfectly. So you know what that means? We got ourselves a new lippy, guys, that actually works. I mean, the lippy itself is definitely amazing. They say it's Infinity Longwear, and hey, it passed the kiss test, the smudge test, the touch test, and a water test, and a glass test. Quality-wise, super amazing. Definitely recommend it. Definitely worth your money. I mean, you guys, you seen yourself, and it feels super, like, it's not only that it's longwear, it feels super moisturizing on the lips. Like, I'm looking in the mirror. Yeah, it feels just super moisturizing. My lips doesn't feel dry in any way, and it feels very light on the lips as well. I don't know if you guys ever get this, but with some matte liquid lipsticks especially, you can really feel the lippy on your lips. If that makes any sense. Like, I do get this, at least. So you can really, like, feel it on. But with this, like, yeah, I can't tell that I have lippy. Like, if I wouldn't look at the mirror, I wouldn't know that I have one. That makes sense? But yeah, definitely amazing product. Love the packaging. Love how it feels on the lips. The pigmentation, you guys, you see, you don't need much product actually for color to show up. Definitely recommend. Great product. Go check them out. This is the first time me trying IL MAKIAGE products. I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing the brand name correctly. I really hope you guys find this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel. Should I do more review videos, more tutorials, and if you got anything from IL MAKIAGE and it worked or didn't work for you. So yeah, she'll see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao.